Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to convert a formula to value in MS Excel. Before sending a report in Excel to someone, we must convert a formula to value. It simply means to replace a formula with its result value. Just think this way: when you send a report to someone, they are not concerned with formulas but with the values a formula returns. Here are some reasons why you need to replace a formula with its result value. If you are sending a report to someone without its source data, then it's better to convert all the formulas into static values. Some functions are volatile, and when you update your worksheet, their value will recalculate. To prevent the end user to make any change in the calculation, static values are easily editable and anyone can copy-paste them easily. You don't want to confuse end user with complex formulas, or simply don't want to show the formulas. The following are 4 different ways on how to convert a formula to values. Paste values with a simple keyboard shortcut. When it comes to speed and ease, shortcut keys are the best, and to turn formulas into values, the easiest way is to use a shortcut key. All you need to do: select the range of the cells where you have formulas. Press Ctrl+C to copy cells. Then select where you want to paste the values, and then press Alt+ESV. Then hit Enter. By using this shortcut key, all the formulas will be replaced with their static result value. Using Paste Special for converting to values. If you don't like to use a shortcut key, then you can simply use the Paste Special option to replace it. First of all, select your data range or the entire column, and then press Ctrl+C to copy. Then right-click on the starting cell where you want to paste the data. Then click on the Paste Value button. This will paste the converted values from the formula copied. Using right-click menu. If you don't want to use Paste Special, then you can use the right-click drag-drop method for this conversion. Here are the steps. Select the range of the cells where you have formulas. Now right-click on the edge of the selection, and by holding the right-click, drag the range to the right side and instantly bring it back to the original place and drop it. Here you will get the Options menu. From this Options menu, select Copy here as values only. This will instantly convert all the formulas from those cells into static result values. Convert to values inside the formula. Let's think differently. You have a complex formula which is a combination of 2 or 3 functions. Here you have a long formula to clean a text value and then convert it into the proper case. Now if you want to convert the result of 2 substitute functions in static text values, here are the steps. Select only the part of the formula which you need to convert to a static value. Then press F9. To show you how it works, I will copy the formula in the next cell for our reference. Then I will create a separate formula for the function which we are going to convert into value. Now I will convert the part of the formula into its value in our sample cell. Now you can see this 600 here, which is the difference from 3000 minus 2400, and it is matching here in J3. You can also directly convert the formula in one cell by pressing F2 key then F9 key, then press Enter. This covers how to convert a formula to value in MS Excel. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.